Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, real quick, I'm going to show you how to do the Uptime command in Nightbot. So what you would do is simply click on Commands, and then Custom, and then go to Add Command, but as you can probably observe, we already have it added. So we're just going to look inside at the details, and as you can see, we have our command for Uptime. You can change this, but I probably won't. And then the message right here, like beside it, before the colon, you can put whatever you want here, but I just like to put the stream has been live for da-da-da. What matters is what goes afterwards, which would be like the $, and then you have to make sure all this is enclosed in parentheses, and it will be the custom API https://beta.decapi.me/twitch/uptime/ the username of the channel. And you can set the user level to everyone, and the cooldown you can set it to whatever, but I just like to set it 5 seconds. So we're going to keep it as that, and then you click submit, and then to apply it in chat, make sure the stain really works. You simply pull it up, type it in, and voila. And I'm offline, so it's not going to show up, but as you can see, the command works. So voila. Hopefully that tutorial was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like. But until next time, goodbye.